Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. SEMA 2018, Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket here alongside Mark with Truxedo. Mark, what's going on, buddy?
Well, we have the new Sentry CT. As opposed to a vinyl cover, it's a canvas top type material. Has excellent ability to hide dust. It has a hard surface like a typical hard cover with a resting weight of between 400 to 500 pounds.
400 to 500 pounds. That's at least 4 of me.
Absolutely. It's something that if an individual had to stand on it for a reason, as long as they were careful, it would, you know, you could like.
You're going to be able to support your weight, right? And what else I like about this, too, and we were just talking about this, and unfortunately, you're going to have to actually feel the product, but, man, it's got such a quality, durable feel to it.
Yeah, a typical vinyl cover in the summertime will reach up into the 150, 160 Fahrenheit range where you can place your hand on this, and it'll get warm, but not as warm as a vinyl cover.
My uncle actually used to grill possums on his vinyl cover.
Absolutely.
They were delicious.
You're having to slow cook it from now on.
Hey, don't knock it till you try it.
But it has an interesting latch. You open up your tailgate, so you can't access the cover before you
pop that down, right?
And we don't do anything glue on. It's soft rubber end caps that are peened into place. You'll notice there's no bright aluminum underneath. It's solid black where it blends in with the looks of your window tint and your tires.
It looks super easy to fold back too.
We have an additional latch that just unlatched automatically, so that somebody can come alongside and lift up. You have hard loops behind the cover, so you can max the amount of distance you want to roll up your cover, so you can have that full access to your whole bed.
See, and you guys have thought about everything when it comes to the tonneau cover, too, because it's going to provide the security like you were talking about there. You're not going to be able to pop this back until that tailgate is down. Also, it's going to provide not, incinerating the inside of your bed.
Absolutely.
And like you said, and this is what I love, too, because I'm a very lazy man, you're driving down a dusty road, the rest of your truck might be dirty, not this bad boy.
Absolutely.
Is there any way we could possibly do this with the human skin so I never have to bathe again?
Well, it also has other features.
Oh, wow.
You have access to the full bed to load and unload as opposed to some of the other covers available. You have some that roll up into boxes. You have some of them that fold up. And then in order to access the whole bed with hers, they end up blocking your whole window.
Right.
Whereas this one, you can still, even on an 8-foot bed truck, you can still access more than half your window.
Right. And you're still going to be able to look back behind you and make sure you don't back into somebody.
And if you have need of more room, say you have an extra large four-wheeler, you can actually take the cover on and off without tool.
Great. Now that's fantastic because that would be such a headache and a handful, but I bet just a couple of minutes you're going to be able to get this thing off, right?
This is an all roll up and all. So in other words, you have full access to the whole bed or it's closed.
Beautiful. I'm telling you what, man, there's a sweet and sassy, and I'm going to go ahead and say it, sexy tonneau cover right there.
Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, it's done really well when we show it to retail customers. They just immediately like that look.
Well, absolutely, yeah. And again, I'm telling you, if once you feel this thing, you're going to be able to feel the quality. That's what we were talking about there. Mark, thank you so much. If you'd like to pick one of these bad boys up, as always, check it out at MidwestAftermarket.com or pick up the phone and give us a call. Thank you very much, my friend.
Appreciate your time.
Okay, I'm going to spend a couple minutes alone romancing this tonneau cover, if you don't mind.
Absolutely.
I'm going to take it out to dinner.
It's yours.
All right.
Can we go get the keys?
Oh, yeah, please.